All right, well, we've just picked up anchor and we're motoring out of the anchorage. One of the things this boat has is a GORI propeller that has an overdrive function. So the propeller has two ways it can spin. And it can spin in kind of a normal prop pitch mode, or it can spin with what's called an overdrive mode. So it's a bigger prop pitch, which is better for fuel economy and long distance motoring. In some cases, you want to check to make sure you're not in overdrive, say after doing some maneuvering in a marina or off the anchor, just as we were. And in this video, we're going to demonstrate what that change of prop direction looks like. Okay, Panda, go ahead. Put the camera in the water. Okay, so camera's in?
Yeah.
Sweet. So as we leave the anchorage, we're going to motor forward. However, to check that we're in our normal prop operation, as the boat moves forward through the water, we want to bring the engines to neutral and then back to forward. So let's do that now. So both engines are in forward and we're moving forward. I can go to neutral. The propellers will fold themselves in, and now I can go back to forward. That ensures that we are in normal mode. Now, if I want to leave the anchorage but put the propellers in overdrive mode, first thing I'm going to do is stop the boat. So I'm going to go in reverse here. And then I actually need the boat to go in reverse. While the boat's traveling in reverse, I'm going to switch from neutral, then to forward, very slowly, but the water flow pushing the propeller, keeping it folded out, will not allow it to switch sides to the normal mode, and thus it'll switch to an overdrive mode. So here we go. We're going in reverse. The boat is moving backwards. I'm going to go neutral and forward, and a little bit of throttle, and we can hear there's a lot more gruntiness in the engines. And that gruntiness is what tells us we're in our overdrive mode.